Welcome to QR Party System. Let's start by creating an event file. First, fill in your event details. This is the main navigation. Let's start by drawing your floor plan. First, you can select your room shape, drag it to the size you want it to be, and change the line type. To add a control point, place your finger on the place you want to have the control point. Place it there for a few seconds. You can also add curve control points. Tap on the object button to show windows, doors, dance floors and stage. Simply drag to the floor plan. Now let's design your table plan. Tap on the table plan icon on the main navigation, then tap on the shape of the table you require. Drag the shape of the number of seats indicated to your floor plan. You can align your tables by tapping the alignment tool. You can see it turns blue, then drag your finger across the tables in a straight line. You can re-tap the alignment tool each time you need to draw a line to align the tables. Now we can create or import your guest list. First, tap on the guest icon. Then you can add your guests through your contacts on your device. You can always manually enter the contacts. You can select your guest's RSVP status. Each tab runs through yes, no and tentative. You can select a note type for your guest. Tap on edit to add a note. Select your guest menu option. Tap on edit to change these options. Now we can allocate your guests to their seats. You can drag and drop your guests to their seats, pinch in closer to zoom in, Any updates made in the Guest tab will automatically update to the Table tab. To now view interactive reports. Tap on the report to highlight seats. Zoom in closer and tap on the seat to bring up the guest details. Finally, create custom e-invites. First, fill in your details. Some of the fields will be pre-filled from the details you gave earlier. Select your wording, and then select your guest recipients. View your custom invitations, and save your invitation onto your device. How to save and open your event file. Your event file will automatically save when you tap on the home icon or leave the app. Tap on the Open button to find your event file. Then tap on your event file to reopen within the app. QR Party Assistant is free to download from the App Store.